Here's the quickest way to cook white beans in an Instant Pot from scratch. First, you're going to take 2 cups of Great Northern white beans, rinse them in water and sort through. Add them to your Instant Pot with 8 cups of water. Cover and cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. After that, let them sit for 10 minutes, then do a natural release. Once the indicator has gone down on the Instant Pot, open the lid, remove the cooked beans, drain them, rinse them in cold water again, then return them back to the Instant Pot. You can add 1 clove of garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt if desired. Then add 3 cups of water, cover, and cook on high heat for 27 minutes. After that, let the beans rest for 10 minutes, then do a natural release. And then you have cooked white beans. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my How to Cook Black Beans in the Instant Pot video. See you in the next one. Bye.